And that's it. Oh my god. Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are good and great. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how to make a very simple sugar scrub that is going to lighten your lip a little bit and also soften your lip. This scrub is very simple and very effective. So we're going to be needing just 3 ingredients to make this scrub. As you guys can see how my lip is looking, I know most of you guys who have been watching my video for some time now will know that I really have a dark lip. So I started using this lip scrub for about a few days now, and it's really working for me. So I decided to show you all how to make this lip scrub at home. It's very simple, as you guys can see. So let me lick my lips so you guys can see it properly. So you can see. So guys, here is my ingredients to make this sugar scrub. I measure in 2 tablespoons of my sugar in here, and then we're going to be adding just a little bit of honey, and then half tablespoon of a lemon. I'm going to stir this together. So I'm going to add in just a little bit of my lemon juice. I'll make sure that it's not more than half tablespoon, and that's fine. Then I have to stir this together properly. Hi guys, here is my lip scrub. The consistency is very okay. So make sure that you add a little bit of your what's it called, your lemon, just a little bit, like half tablespoon. It's fine. It all depends on the quantity you are making. If the sugar you are adding is much, then you need to add more lemon juice and more honey. So here, right guys, my sugar scrub is ready. So let me show you all how I scrub my lip with this. So simple, and the taste, oh my god, it's so nice. Please guys, make sure you are very gentle with scrubbing. You won't go and peel, so you won't go and peel your lip. You have to be very gentle. So I make sure I do this twice a day, morning and night, and that's it. Oh my god.